Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the use of the email option on the FT Generate Document button and Titan action. Here on my sample opportunity, I will click the FT Generate Document button. This will bring up a list of Titan doc and sign templates that are available for use on this object. We will use the Opportunity with Products template as the example. To send this document as an email, click on the email link. This will open up an email editor window. You can see here that the document is attached with the name mapping. This is the data that is merged from Salesforce into the Titan template attached to this email as an attachment. Enter your destination. From here you can select a Salesforce Lightning email template. Let's say we want to use the new customer email. That brings in the subject and the desired text. You can enter whatever changes you want to make. And we will go ahead and click send. The document will now be generated and sent as an attachment on this email to the entered destination. I'll go ahead and check my email. I'll see that this email has arrived and the Titan document has been generated with the data merged from Salesforce as an attachment. In your Titan Docs project, you can configure actions to run after the document is generated. This can be found in the Salesforce integration section. You can set up a push to Salesforce to update records in Salesforce after the document has been generated. In this example, I've set up a couple of pushes, one of which will update the opportunity when the document is submitted, and it will update it to qualification status. When you generate a document manually and send it via email, these are not run automatically. To run them, when you generate the document, in the email option, select the Trigger Submit option here, and that will submit the triggers that are set to run when the document is submitted. So if we go ahead and send this, it again will be generated and sent as an attachment on the email. Once the document has been generated, then that post-generation push will run and it will update the opportunity stage. So my email has arrived. There it is. Now if we go back and look at Salesforce, if I refresh the tab, I should see the stage updated to qualification. And there you go. That is how it's done.